Welcome. If you want to get iOS launcher on your Realme X50 Pro, for the first you have to move for the settings. Right now let's tap on search bar and type here iOS launcher. Here we have to pick up the application from the Lutin developer. There's iOS launcher 13 beta. So click on it, tap on the install, and right now we have to wait a few moments. It is 5%, 13, 17, 26, of course, never mind, just wait. Okay, right now we can open this application, so click here. Accept all of the permission. And as you can see, there's a lot of options. We can also customize this launcher, but let's click on the home button and select iOS launcher 13. Click on to don't ask me again and select it one more time. Right now we get the notification, so click that we got it. And as you can see, that's how this launcher looks like. You can try to edit the home icons and add it to this bold right here. We can also change the widgets. We have to grant the permission to work it properly. So pick up the permission, allow calendar and also the phone. And as you can see, right now it is working. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!